Audio, go carry your brother for inside train. No. You don't begin to the lament for inside train. You don't begin to the lament for. Muna watch this video. Waiting our brother they do for inside train for this Europe. Now all those things now they make Oyibo the things say we no get sense. Just watch this guy. Just watch him. All of us now black now one love. Watch waiting. Just watch this video. And if you watch this video, they share them. Make people see them. Now this kind of thing they make Oyibo the thing say we no get sense. Just watch them. Watch them. Don't break coyone.
You're telling me you're Gambia, I'm Nigeria. You want me to blow your mouth? Are you crazy? Do I look like your mate?
Don't shout, bro. You
want me to blow your mouth? You're telling me you're Gambia? Don't me! What is Gambia? Gambia is a small country. Gambia is not to my state. You are telling me you're a Gambia? You are very stupid. You stupid Gambians, you think you can talk to Nigeria anyhow? You're telling me you're Gambia. What is Gambia? I know Gambia in Europe. In Africa, we don't know Gambia. Are you stupid? Do I look like your mate? Do I look like your mate? Are you stupid? You want me to blow your mouth? I'm asking you, want me to blow your mouth? I don't want you blow me! Blow me! Blow me! You are telling me you are Gambia? Are you stupid? You want me to remove your teeth in your mouth? You are telling me you are Gambia? I am a Nigerian mafia. Do you know how many people are killed in my life?